Big news from Tesla. The long-anticipated Tesla Model 2 might hit the streets this year, and here's the kicker. It could launch at a jaw-dropping price of $17,999. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it kind of is. Tesla had to make some major compromises to bring this price down. Elon Musk recently confirmed that production is underway using their latest Giga Press technology, and this model might become the most mass-produced car in history, with an estimated 42 million units more than the Model 3 and Model Y combined. Production breakthroughs. Tesla's success with the 6,000-ton Giga Press for the Model Y paved the way for even bigger casting machines for the Model 2. Their new 50,000-ton Giga Press allows them to cast the entire underbody in a single shot, cutting down parts, time, and cost drastically. It's a game-changer. Tesla now aims to manufacture 5 vehicle underbodies per casting. The advanced production system includes molten aluminum injection, ultra-fast cooling, robotic automation, making it faster and more scalable than anything before it. Design, features, and compromises. So what are we actually getting for $17,999? Tesla is ditching luxury for affordability. The Model 2 will likely be a compact crossover, smaller than the Model 3, with basic interiors, fabric seats, manual trunk, and standard autopilot. Some features like glass roofs, power trunks, and premium sound systems won't make the cut. Still, it will use a 50 to 55 kilowatt-hours LFP battery, giving it a range of up to 260 miles with fast charging in just 30 minutes. But the biggest challenge, that $7,500 federal tax credit might disappear by 2026, raising questions about its future affordability. The bigger picture. Elon Musk originally teased this budget EV back in 2020, and after several delays due to a focus on self-driving tech and robotaxis, Tesla finally looks ready to deliver. Spotted prototypes and leaked images suggest production is already rolling in Fremont. With rising pressure from Chinese automakers like BYD and an increasingly competitive EV market, the Model 2 could be the key to unlocking a new segment of buyers for Tesla, not just in the US, but globally. Wrap up. If Tesla sticks to its timeline and pricing, the Model 2 could be the most disruptive vehicle of the decade. But with tax incentives fading and tough compromises, will buyers accept the trade-offs? Let us know what you think in the comments. Will the Model 2 live up to the hype or fall short? Thanks for watching Road Zone Reviews. Hit that like button and subscribe for more Tesla and EV insights every week.